Welcome friends, and a big hello from TechUnboxPro. Today, we're exploring the smartphone that is taking over 2025 with massive hype, the Nokia King Crown 5G. This device is trending worldwide because Nokia has finally returned with a powerful flagship that delivers real performance, real speed, and real value. The Nokia King 5G comes with a stunning AMOLED display that gives sharp colors and smooth visuals whether you're gaming, watching videos, or scrolling daily apps. Its next-gen 5G chipset offers ultra-fast performance, making multitasking, streaming, and gaming feel absolutely seamless. The phone is built for users who want pure power without lag. The camera system is another major highlight: crisp shots, natural colors, and great clarity in both daylight and low light. Whether you shoot photos or videos, the King 5G performs like a true flagship. The massive battery easily lasts a full day, giving you strong backup for heavy usage. Overall, the Nokia King 5G is not just another phone, it's Nokia's biggest comeback in years. If you want performance, style, and next-level features in one package, this phone is made for you. Stay connected, and subscribe to TechUnboxPro for more amazing tech content.